Hello friend, I welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here. I'm an importer and an importation and procurement coach, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step on how you can translate 1688 from Chinese to whatever language of your choice. Instantly translate without any stress. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end. But before I dive into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel, please remember to hit on the subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so each time I post content about China importation and some other country importation, you'll be notified. And lastly but not least, if you have any question for me as far as the tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can translate from Chinese to whatever language of your choice on 1688.com. The first thing first, you have to make sure you access the website 1688.com. You can see the website URL from the top right here, 1688.com. So when you access the site, and make sure you access the site with Google Chrome. That's the most important thing. Do not use any other browser except you use Google Chrome. So when you access the site, you're going to see something like this. Okay, so for you to translate from Chinese into whatever language of your choice, all you have to do is to come to the top right here, and then you see this 3D options here. Click on that. Then having clicked on this 3D option, then the next thing you need to do is to click on choose another language. So having clicked on choose another language, you can click on this dot this drop down here, and then you can choose whatever language of your choice. So let's, for instance, I want to translate to Arabic language. I choose Arabic. So once you choose Arabic language, then you have to come here and make sure you click on translate. Boom. So there you have it. So you can see everything right here has been drastically translated instantly to Arabic language. Then if you are an Arabic speaker, you should be able to read what is written right now. Now let's take a look at another language that you can translate to. Then you have to, for you to change to another language, you have to click on this Google Translate, translate this page. So when you click on that, then you come back to the three dots here. Click on these three dots. This is going to drop down. Then from the drop down, make sure you choose another language. So at this point here, click on here. So this time around, let's take a look at English language. At the drop down right here, I'm going to select English language. So when you select the new language, then you have to come back here. And this time around, you make sure you click on translate. So when you click on translate, so let's take a look at the results. So here you have it. So you can see everything right here has been translated into English language. Then from here you should be able to read everything that was written on this particular website. You can scroll down. You can see from the top right here we have find sources. Right here we have find a factory. Right here we have looking for industrial products, stuff like that. Then you can see right here search bar. Then you can scroll down and see every product listed on this site. Everything will be translated into English language or into whatever language of your choice. So the very last one I would like to show you as far as this website translation is concerned is that you can easily come back to your translator panel from the top right here. Click on the translate and go back to the three dots right here and make sure you choose another language. So when you click on that, then click on here. Now, one very good thing here is that there are a bunch of unlimited country that you can translate into different languages right here. You can see, you can scroll down and see more and more and more as far as different country language translator is concerned. So this is what I have for you as far as instantly translate your 1688 from Chinese to whatever language of your choice. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorial about China importation and some other country importation. If you have importation business related issue with for me, you can as well connect with me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.